start discussing the test now. I hope you all are having with you your Google form. First question was the production of current in a coil when it is rotated in a region of magnetic field is. This is Faraday's first law, Faraday's law. So A part was correct. आप ये भी कह सकते हो अगर EMI लिखा होता तो ये भी correct होता. ठीक है, EMI was also the right answer. Second option थी principle of electric motor, that is exactly reverse of this. So principle of electric motor cannot be there, that is exactly the reverse. So the answer was Faraday's law. Okay, second question. Magnetic lines due to bar magnet are same as that due to a solenoid. ठीक है, आपको पता है ना कि solenoid when current passes through it, it starts behaving like a magnet. One pole becomes a south pole, another pole becomes a north. So it also shows the same pattern as that due to a bar magnet. We had also drawn it. Third question was a fuse is always placed in dash of the main circuit. Which wire? Live wire. और वो भी मैंने आपको बताया था लाइव वायर में भी सीरीज में होता है, तो यहाँ पे तो सिर्फ वायर ही बतानी थी, लाइव वायर. Question number 4, SI unit of magnetic field intensity is Tesla. You know that. Fifth question, the shape of magnetic field lines produced by a circular current carrying conductor is, that is concentric circles. आपने सर्कुलर वायर की वजह से फील्ड ड्रॉ किया है, दोनों साइड पे कंसेंट्रिक सर्कल्स आते हैं. अगर सेंटर पे कहा होता तो स्ट्रेट लाइन आनी थी, सेंटर पे कहा होता तो पैरेलल लाइंस आनी थी, क्योंकि वो ऑलमोस्ट स्ट्रेट हो जाती हैं इन गोइंग टुवर्ड्स द सेंटर. ठीक है, बट ये ऑन द होल वो किस तरह की शेप है, कंसेंट्रिक सर्कल्स. Sixth question, a coil of insulated copper wire is connected to a galvanometer forming a loop and a magnet is held stationary. तो आपको पता है कि जब तक relative motion नहीं होती है between coil and magnet, तो then no induced current is produced. तो deflection नहीं आएगी, तो A part में नहीं आएगी. B है moved away, C है moved towards. There will be an induced current, in which case they are asking A only, A and B, B and C. So answer is C part, that is B and C only. B and C दोनों में ही ऐसे होगा. ठीक है, B and C मतलब मोशन जब होगी either towards or away, in both the cases this will happen. Yes, Japanjot, you have any doubt? Okay, I'll unmute you, you speak.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, question था टेस्ट में कि the where the fuse is placed.
हाँ, live wire.
Yes, ma'am, live wire किया था, but answers में आया कि
I got it, I got it. आप क्या कहना चाहते हो, बट अब आप चेक करो आपका स्कोर अपडेट हो गया होगा. ठीक है, वो जो प्रॉब्लम थी आई हैव रेक्टिफाइड.
ओके मैम,
आपका स्कोर अपडेट हो गया होगा, आप अब चेक करिए उसको. ठीक है,
ओके मैम,
योर हैंड.
ओके मैम, थैंक यू मैम.
Question 7th is inside a magnet the magnetic lines move. B part is the answer from south to north. आपको पता है एक्सटर्नली तो नॉर्थ टू साउथ है, पर इनसाइड क्योंकि लूप कंप्लीट होती है तो साउथ टू नॉर्थ हो जाती है. इनसाइड पैरेलल एंड इक्विस्पेस लाइंस आर देयर. इनसाइड फील्ड भी यूनिफॉर्म होता है और उनकी डायरेक्शन फिर ऑपोजिट होती है क्योंकि लूप कंप्लीट होती है. ठीक है. Next question 8 is by which instrument the presence of magnetic field can be determined? So it is magnetic needle. By bringing magnetic needle closer, if it repels or it is which pole is being repelled, that decides whether magnetic field is present or not. Question number 9, a current flows through a straight power line from left to right direction. Direction of magnetic field line 0.5 meter above is. Maxwell's right hand thumb rule will be applicable here, right? Maxwell's right hand thumb rule. So suppose the current is flowing in this direction, they are asking what is the direction of magnetic field at a point 0.5 meter above. Whatever is the distance, वो कोई problem नहीं है. आपने Maxwell's right hand thumb rule use करना है. Thumb in the direction of current, you know that. तो अपवर्ड जो पॉइंट है वहां के लिए आप देखो फिंगर्स आउटवर्ड आ रही है, बाहर की तरफ आ रही है. ठीक है, तो अब बाहर का तो कोई ऑप्शन है ही नहीं आंसर्स में. ऊपर क्या होता है, नॉर्थ, इधर साउथ होता है, तो आपका आंसर होगा ए पार्ट, दैट इज नॉर्थ. नॉर्थ विल बी योर आंसर. ठीक है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 नाउ. 10th question is short circuiting is due to A part is correct. Insulation of wire being damaged. You know, because of poor insulation of wires, live wire and neutral wires, they come in contact with each other. That is the reason. Live wires and neutral wires, they come in contact with each other, because of which this happens. Short circuit happens. Is that clear? Okay, students? Right? So now let us continue with image formation by a concave mirror. Still Uday Suri is coming. Ashmit has just entered. They are late. So I request all of you to please join in time, right? Okay, so image formation by a concave mirror. So we are having second case. First case was when the object is at infinity. Object is very far away. Slowly we will be bringing the object closer to the mirror. तो अब हम उसको रखते हैं beyond C. So second case is object beyond C. So with a compass, you should draw the mirror, and with a scale, you should take equal distances between pole, focus and center of curvature. Now this case will be correctly made by you if you keep the object quite far away. अगर आप ऑब्जेक्ट को बियॉन्ड सी बिल्कुल यहीं पे रख दोगे तो आपका केस करेक्ट नहीं बनेगा, ठीक नहीं बनेगा. तो इसको काफी दूर रखिए. This is the object. Right, now one ray which is parallel to the principal axis, we always take one ray parallel to the principal axis. According to the rules, it will pass through focus. So draw one ray first, it will pass through focus. Right, for one ray is clear. Have you drawn? Now second ray, let us made it pass through C. This is a case of normal incidence. It will come back, and on coming back, this ray will cut this previous ray here. So here the image will be formed. So जहाँ पे cut करते हैं, always draw an arrowhead there. So image will be formed, and we also come to know that it is inverted because the direction of arrow is downward, so it is inverted also, right? So from here only we come to know whether the image is erect or inverted. It is inverted right now. And what is the location? You can see it is formed between C and F. And size of image, it is smaller in comparison to object, it is smaller. Okay, so these are the characteristics of image we will be writing in each case. So write the characteristics of image formed along with. First is it is formed between F and C. Second is rays are actually meeting, so image is real. Real image is always inverted. So it is inverted also. Okay, inverted. And what next? It is diminished. It is smaller in size. But as compared to the previous case, size has increased. पहले point size थी, अब size पहले से थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया. So as we have brought the object closer to the mirror, size of image has increased. ठीक है, तो ये भी साथ साथ आप देखते जाइए. So I hope this second case is also clear to you. Now we draw the third case. Third case is अब object को थोड़ा और close ले आते हैं. Now we will keep the object at C exactly. Okay. Third case, object at C. Object kept at C. Again draw P, F, C. Right? Draw this. Now we will keep the object at C. Keep the object at C now. मेरे साथ साथ draw करिए बच्चे. Right? And sometimes what happens, students leave this ray up to here only. They don't bring it in contact with mirror. आप understand करिए इस चीज को. अगर mirror से ray strike ही नहीं करेगी तो वापस कैसे जाएगी, reflect कैसे होगी? So keep all these things in mind, and this comes from written practice. Always do the written practice, right? So let us complete it. Again we take one ray which is parallel to principal axis. According to the rules, it will pass through focus. So I have made it pass through focus. Draw it. Now second ray. Second ray I'll take from focus. Let me take the second ray through focus, and we have done the second rule also. If any ray passes through focus, then it will go parallel to the principal axis. It will go parallel to principal axis. So where it cuts, there the image will be formed. So you will see, अगर मैंने तो roughly बनाया, randomly बनाया, if your distances will be same, if you draw the mirror also with the compass, then exactly at C the image will be formed, and it will be of the same size also. Size of object and image, they will be the same. All right. So draw this first. One ray which is parallel to principal axis will pass through focus. Another ray which is passing through focus will go parallel to it. So wherever they cut, there the image will be formed. Again, you see inverted images formed. Actually, rays are meeting, so image formed is real also. So let us write the characteristics of image formed in this case also. Characteristics. Image is formed at C. Object is also at C. Image is also formed at C. Right? Second characteristic is the size of object and image is same size. Then it is real, it is inverted. So 4 characteristics of image formed. In each case we are writing. I hope 3 cases are clear to you. Now let's do the 4th one. 4th है, अब थोड़ा और close ले आएंगे हम. Now we will keep the object between C and F. Now we will keep the object between C and F. थोड़ा और close ले आए. So we keep the object between C and F. Keep it here. Draw it with me side by side. Now one ray which is parallel to principal axis. One ray which is parallel to principal axis will pass through focus. Draw one ray. We are taking this ray always. In all the cases we are taking this ray. Now we have two choices. Either we can take second ray through focus, or we can take it through C also. Minimum 2 rays are required. आपको जो भी ठीक लगे, मैं दोनों ways से draw कर देती हूँ, आप वो draw कर सकते हो, right? So let me take second ray through F. So it will pass through focus. It will go parallel to the principal axis after reflection. ये थोड़ी सी positioning मुझे ठीक करनी पड़ेगी because I am taking roughly the distances. ठीक है? और this ray also, if you will take the measured distances, then it will be exactly okay. थोड़ा सा फोकस इस साइड पे करिए. So this is how the image will be formed, and you notice on each and every ray I am drawing the arrows. On each and every ray I am drawing the arrows. ये रे थोड़ी टेढ़ी होगी, रादर और आगे जाके मिलेगी और बड़ी इमेज बन जाएगी. Okay. So image is formed beyond C. Image is formed beyond C. Characteristics of the image are, and you can compare the size of object and image. Image का size बढ़ता जा रहा है. सबसे पहले point size थी, फिर object का image का size थोड़ा और बड़ा हुआ, then image same size की हो गई, अब image का size object से भी बड़ा हो गया. So size of image is increasing as we are bringing the object closer to the mirror. So image is real, it is inverted, it is magnified, and it is formed beyond C. Where it is formed beyond C. All right. So 4 cases we have drawn. 4 cases we have drawn. All right. So this case is clear, I think. Now let us draw the 5th case. अब object को थोड़ा और close ले आएंगे. We will keep the object at focus now. Keep the object at F now. Object at focus. Case number 5. Object at F. So let us keep the object here. One ray which is parallel to principal axis will pass through focus. कोई बात नहीं, focus पे है तो भी focus में से ही pass करेगी. One ray which is parallel to principal axis will pass through focus after reflection from the mirror. Second ray, again there are two choices. यहाँ पे भी मैं बता देती हूँ. यहाँ पे आप क्या कर सकते थे कि आप C में से अगर पास करवाते, C में से अगर आप रे लेते तो ये मिरर से स्ट्राइक करके वापस आ जाती और ये वहीं पे मीट करती. ठीक है, ये वहीं पे मीट करती है. अगर आप ठीक बनाओगे ना तो ये करेक्ट बनेगा. All the 3 rays should meet at one point. ठीक है, so don't draw 3 rays at a time. कोई 2 rays बना दो आप ठीक करके. Okay, I draw this once again. अगर हम ये सेकेंड वाली रे लेते हैं तो कैसे बनेगा. Between C and F, थोड़ा सा इधर. मिरर को जरूर स्ट्राइक करना चाहिए. इन दिस केस देयर आर मोर चांसेस. कई बच्चे यहां तक ड्रॉ करते हैं, ये बात ड्रॉ ही नहीं करते, विच इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. जब तक स्ट्राइक नहीं करेगा तो फिर कैसे रिफ्लेक्ट होगी रे. ठीक है, still there are some students in the waiting room. I don't know why. ये जतिन और जतिन, how there are two Jatins, both roll number 21. ठीक है, तो ये इस तरह से ये आ जाएगी, ये रे इस तरह से वापस आ जाएगी एंड सेकेंड रे विल पास थ्रू फोकस और ये जहां पे भी मीट करेगी ये इमेज बन जाएगी बियॉन्ड सी. तो हियर यू विल ड्रॉ 2 एरोस, यहाँ पे एक ही एरो बहुत है. सो दिस इज सेकेंड वे बाय विच यू कैन ड्रॉ दिस केस. अब इसमें भी सेम वे वी कैन डू दिस, बट आई विल टेल यू द इजीएस्ट वे. आप सेकेंड रे पोल में से लीजिए और ऑलमोस्ट उतने ही एंगल से इसको बेंड कर दीजिए. इट विल बी पैरेलल टू द प्रीवियस रे. सो दैट मीन्स इमेज इज फॉर्म्ड एट इंफिनिटी. Image is formed at infinity, that means. Okay, so characteristics of the image are image is formed at infinity. जितनी आगे जाके बनेगी उतनी ही magnified बनेगी. So real, inverted, highly magnified. Size of image is increasing and increasing. Highly magnified. If you take another ray, then what will happen? अगर आप C में से ले लेते हो दूसरी रे तो ये ऐसे होगा, बट आपको 2 एरोस बनाने पड़ेंगे, एक आने के लिए एक जाने के लिए. सो एनी 2 रेज यू कैन ड्रॉ, एनी 2 रेज यू कैन ड्रॉ. Okay, so I also want to say there are two cases that are reverse of each other. When the object is placed between C and F, image is formed beyond C. When the object is placed beyond C, image is formed between C and F. These two cases, and one more set of cases is there. When object is at infinity, image is formed at focus, and when object is kept at focus, image is formed at infinity. तो लर्न करने के लिए आई एम टेलिंग यू कि यू कैन कीप दीज थिंग्स इन माइंड. Now we do the last case. So you have seen that in first 5 cases, the concave mirror is forming real image. So in most of the cases, it forms real image, but it can also form virtual image. So let us see how it forms virtual image in the last case. When the object is brought still closer, it is kept between focus and pole. Object is kept between focus and pole. So draw pole, focus and center of curvature, and keep the object between P and F. Okay. So one ray which is parallel to principal axis, again we will draw it. One ray which is parallel to the principal axis will again pass through focus. अगर एरो नहीं ड्रॉ करोगे तो आपके मार्क्स डिडक्ट होंगे. एरोज के बिना ये रेज नहीं होंगी. These will be only geometrical lines. So draw one ray which is parallel to principal axis. It will pass through focus. एक ray draw कर ली आपने. Now let us draw the second ray. Again we have two possibilities. या तो C में से pass कर दें या P में से pass कर दें. So let us pass it through P and bend through the same angle. Now you will see that they are never meeting. The distance between them is increasing and increasing. So how we can imagine image? If we produce the rays backwards, bend नहीं करना है, जहां पे meet करती है वहां पे करने देना है. और क्योंकि they appear to meet here, so virtual image is formed. And you can see virtual image is always erect. ठीक है, तो इनको बेंड नहीं करना है, जहां जाती है जाने दीजिए और वहां पे इसको मीट करवाइए. So virtual image you will also draw with a dotted line. This is the common mistake that the students commit. उसको dotted line से ही draw करना है आपने. ठीक है, ये पुलकित का भी नेट बहुत वीक है, ये बार बार वेटिंग रूम में जा रहा है. Okay, so what are the characteristics of image? Image is virtual, it is erect, it is magnified, bigger, and it is formed behind the mirror. It is formed on the other side. It is formed behind the mirror. Okay. So if you draw one more ray through C, तो ये भी आप देखोगे कि वापस आते हुए ये भी मीट नहीं करेगी. तो आप इसको भी डॉटेड वापस ले जाओ. आप ये दो रे भी बना सकते हो. That is your choice. Any two rays you have to draw. ये जरूरी नहीं है कि तीनों रेज बनानी. Any two rays you can select. So these are all the 6 cases of image formation by concave mirror. So in most of the cases it forms real image. Only in the last case it forms virtual image. So this case makes it very very different. This is very important case. All the cases are important otherwise. तो आप देखोगे पेपर में पूछे भी जा सकते हैं कि draw the image and write the characteristics of image formed when the object is placed here, when the object is placed here, like that. Okay, so is that clear, students? All the cases of image formation by concave mirror are clear to you. Now let us do convex mirror. Image formation by convex mirror. It will always form convex mirror. हाँ, Jivitesh has a doubt. Okay, let me take up your doubt. एक minute.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम.
हाँ जी बोलो.
मैम फर्स्ट केस एक बार दोबारा समझा दो, उसमें कैसे इमेज बनी है.
First case.
यस मैम.
You mean focus वाला?
यस मैम. मैम वो कनकेव में
जो पहले हो गया था focus वाला.
मैम फर्स्ट केस इज था
हाँ?
मैम. images formed by concave mirrors का फर्स्ट केस आप दोबारा समझा दो एक बार,
वही
मेरे
हुआ
को
ना,
समझ नहीं आई।
तो वही होगा ना, when the object is at infinity, वही वाला ऑब्जेक्ट।
यस मैम,
चलो मैं ड्रॉ,
यस मैम, यस मैम।
आप शायद एब्सेंट हो गए। तो when the object is kept at infinity, ये वही वाला डायग्राम है जो फोकस में हमने ड्रॉ किया था, ठीक है। तो ये वही डायग्राम है जो फोकस में हमने ड्रॉ किया था। Object is at infinity, so parallel rays are coming from a distance. So which ray, the ray that is parallel will pass through focus, this ray will also pass through focus. So image will be formed at focus. Okay, image will be formed at focus. तो पहला केस तो बहुत ही सिंपल है, ये हमने ऑलरेडी किया हुआ है जब हमने फोकस को डिफाइन किया था। डाउट जीवितेश?
बता दो इसके फिर।
यही वाला था आपका?
यस मैम।
Okay, fine. Okay, so let us come to the image formation by convex mirror. So I was telling you, एक चीज आपने नोट कर ली, what is the other name of concave mirror? Converging mirror, because of its nature I told you. And what is the other name of convex mirror? This is called diverging mirror. So convex mirror, diverging mirror always forms virtual image. It always forms virtual, erect and diminished image of the object. It cannot form real image. So there are only two cases. एक जब ऑब्जेक्ट इंफिनिटी पे है, दूसरा एनीवेयर एल्स, कहीं पे और होगी, एक ही टाइप का केस बनेगा। सो देयर आर ओनली टू केसेस। लेट अस कंप्लीट टुडे। इमेज फॉर्म्ड बाय कन्वेक्स मिरर, image formed by a convex mirror. Give the heading. So first case is when object is at infinity. First case, object at infinity we have already drawn when we had defined its focus. So draw convex mirror first of all. This is convex mirror, this is its pole, this is its focus, and this is its center of curvature. Now object is kept here, it is very far away, infinity पे है. So parallel rays of light will be coming from the object. So let us take two rays which are parallel to the principal axis. Why they are parallel? Because they are coming from distant object, they are coming from infinity. So the ray will get reflected as if it is coming out of focus, and this ray will also get reflected as if it is coming out of focus. So since we assume, it appears as if image is formed at focus, so virtual image is formed. This is not real image. So write the characteristics of image formed in this case. Image is virtual, erect, point sized, very small, point sized, and it is formed always at focus. Whenever object will be at infinity, image will be formed at focus. Image will be formed at focus. Okay, first case is clear. Second case है object anywhere else, कहीं पे भी रख दें object, क्योंकि एक ही टाइम की इमेज बनेगी. Second is object anywhere else. So draw convex mirror first of all. Draw its pole, focus, center of curvature. ये draw करिए. अरे 57 स्टूडेंट्स कैसे रह गए? What happened? Okay, so let us keep the object here. कहीं पे भी रख देते हैं. Let us keep the object here. One ray which is parallel to principal axis will get reflected as if it is coming out of focus. ये focus में से आती हुई लगेगी. First ray will appear to come out of focus. Okay. Second ray Let us make one ray incident, ठीक है, as if it is coming out of C. जो C में से आती हुई लगेगी, according to the rule it will retrace its path. ये हमने रूल्स किए. तो वापस आते हुए ये पहली रे को यहाँ कट करेगी, यहाँ कट करेगी, वहां एरो बना दीजिए. तो स्मॉल इमेज विल बी फॉर्म्ड हियर. और डॉटेड बनानी है क्योंकि वर्चुअल है. So what are the characteristics of image formed in this case? Again, image is virtual, it is erect, it is diminished, and it is formed anywhere else. हम उसकी लोकेशन नहीं लिखेंगे, कहीं पे भी बनेगी. अगर आप थोड़ा पास ले आओगे तो ये थोड़ी उधर बन जाएगी. So its location is not fixed, but image will be virtual. So कौन सी characteristics common है? Virtual, erect and diminished. So convex mirror always forms virtual, erect and diminished image of the object. It always forms virtual, erect and diminished image of the object. तो ये draw कर लीजिए, दोनों cases complete कर लो. I'll take up the doubts by that time. Yes, Himanshu. I'll unmute you, then you can speak.
Excuse me, मैम. मैम आपकी स्क्रीन ब्लर आ रही है.
What? क्या कह रहे हो?
मैम आपकी स्क्रीन ब्लर आ रही है. ब्लर आ रही है स्क्रीन आपकी.
ठीक है.
A little bit. मैम a little bit,
और तो
but not clear.
बच्चे और किसी को प्रॉब्लम नहीं है? अपना नेट कनेक्शन चेक कर लो. पहले का जैसे मैं पढ़ा रही हूँ अभी वैसे ही है ना? राघव शर्मा हैज अ डाउट. हाँ जी बोलिए राघव.